that's what we're going in. It's gonna be icy. As in icy. As in, ow, that hurts. My feet. Yeah, this is the worst idea I might have ever had. Yep, that's ice. I think we're just have to go in from here. I don't think there's any other options. I don't know how I'm gonna swim with this stupid thing on. Oh, God. Yeah, it's kind of like so cold that you don't even feel it, almost. Yeah, that's how I describe it. So cold that you can't feel it. Woo. All right, here we are. Now we're like in a good spot, you know, where you're getting close to the falls, you know. I'm already out here, so we might as well get a close up. No one really knows how long it takes for you to get hypothermia in your toes or frostbite. I don't know which one's the right one. All right, and here we go. I don't know if you should probably see what we're heading into here. This is thick ice. It's actually pretty thick. It's really good. Miles over there on the side. He's just chilling over there. He doesn't really care. And yeah, I'm about to jump in, I think. Oh my God. It's kind of rough. I'm actually worried about drowning. Ah, here goes Seth. This is miserable. I'm not gonna lie, that was very hard to breathe. I was actually short on breath there, and I swallowed some water.